by the word of God. So that the things which are seen were not made of things which are visible. Kailangan po natin maglakad with faith. Now, faith is the substance of things hoped for. Pag sinabi pong now, faith, ay kung sabihin now, this day, it speaks about ngayon. Now, devil. Now, brother boy. Now, faith. Hindi po sinabi po doon na tomorrow is faith. Now, faith. Kaya kailangan, as a Christian, as the sons of the living God, kailangan po natin maglakad by faith. By faith, we understand that the words were framed by the Word of God so that the things we are saying were not made of things which are visible. Dapat po hindi tayo nakapokus sa nakikita po natin. Hindi tayo nakapokus sa mga bagay na nakikita po natin, yung visible. Kundi dapat nakapokus po tayo sa unseen. Dahil ang nakikita po natin ay temporary at yung unseen, yun po ang eternal. Ibig pong sabihin, no, walk by faith,